Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the car to ACC so the infotainment system provides Bluetooth power. This prevents resets. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and open the Bluetooth list. Now, press and hold the Victsing pair button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes rapidly. This puts the device into pairing mode and broadcasts its name. Once done, keep the phone screen visible, so you can select the Victsing entry as soon as it appears in the available devices list. After the Victsing shows up on your phone, tap its name to initiate pairing. This is the moment the phone and module exchange keys. If a PIN prompt appears, try 0000 first, then 1234. These are the common defaults. Then confirm. Once paired, accept permissions for phone audio and media so calls and music route through the car. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth priority favors the car if you have other paired devices. This reduces accidental reconnections to headphones or speakers. You finish by testing playback and placing a quick call so you confirm both incoming audio and microphone transmission. This reveals any routing problems early. Then, save the device in the car's Bluetooth memory and enable Auto Connect so it reattaches next time automatically. If pairing fails or audio is one way, reboot the Victsing and your phone, remove old, unused Bluetooth profiles, and repair. This clears conflicts. If the problem persists, try another phone to isolate whether the issue is the module or the specific phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.